People often ask me how this business really works, how buying old bikes and cars can actually make serious money. But for me, this was never just about money. It was about seeing value where others see waste. When I first started, I noticed something very simple. All around us, there are old motorcycles and cars sitting quietly, in garages, beside old houses, under trees, covered in dust. Most people look at them and think, finished, useless, scrap. But I look deeper. Every vehicle has a story. Every engine has a history, and many of them still have life left inside. I buy old bikes and cars that people no longer want. Sometimes they don't start. Sometimes they look terrible. Paint faded, engines noisy, parts broken. That's exactly why the price is low. That's where opportunity lives.
Bring it back
The first
slow.
thing I do is inspection.
And
Not emotion. Inspection. I check the engine block, the frame, the suspension, the wiring. If the foundation is strong, everything else can be rebuilt. This skill, knowing what can be saved and what cannot, that's where real profit begins. Restoration is not magic. It's patience, experience, and discipline. Every bolt removed carefully. Every part cleaned, repaired, or replaced properly. No shortcuts. Shortcuts always come back as losses. Some days are hard. Rust fights back. Parts don't fit. Costs rise.
Yeah, she's
Time
seen better
stretches
days.
longer than
Look at all that
planned.
buildup around the valve cover.
But this is where most people quit. And this is exactly where professionals are born. I don't rush restoration. I restore with purpose. Because when the vehicle is finished, it must feel trustworthy, strong, and honest. The buyer should feel confidence the moment they touch it. Now let's talk about money. Because yes, the profit can be very good. An old car bought cheap, restored with skill and control, can sell for 2 or even 3 times the total investment. But the profit does not come from luck. It comes from knowledge, from understanding the market, from knowing what people actually want to buy. Classic looks.
Here are the keys. She's all yours. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks so much. I can't believe she's finally mine.